doing? I heard he's a sexagenarian now.
Yeah, he really loves it. He really loves anal women.
He looks like an anal man.
Yeah. I heard your boyfriend has a bulging coccyx.
It's pretty big. By the way, turns out I'm quite the philatelist.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I didn't know you were into that kind of stuff.
Yeah, my boyfriend loves it, so does his pianist. We actually go to conventions and everything together.
What?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Wow. Good to hear. Good to hear. Hey, I gotta run. I gotta go see a guy about his ramrod. But, the girls and I are getting together Saturday night to master debate.
Yeah.
Do you want to join us?
I would love to, actually. I love master debating.